7 engine, 4 horsepower quattro lawnmower. So let's check the oil. I had it on, so I don't know if it's going to be up. Yeah, it's up. It has oil. The oil's about up to there. That's perfect, though. Okay. So now the gas. Has a tiny bit of gas. It's enough to start. I am going to be at the end, little bit after the video, I'm going to be cutting the grass for it with it, so it's fine. I'll fill it up. So prime it 4 times. 4 times. Now handle down and pull the cord. Of me starting this 4 horsepower quattro starting engine lawnmower. It smoked a little bit, but I'll also tell you why. So the ignition coil, I think that's what it's called. We had to test that. We had to buy a new one, but the whole point was it was upside down, and that's probably why it was smoking. So yeah, I also have cracks in here, missing a blade. I'll show you. The delivery person's about to bring it in soon. So yeah, that's the full video of me starting my Briggs & Stratton lawnmower. So yeah, have a good day. Bye.